Why did Rudolf Diesel originally want his engine to use coal dust? Imagine a time when fuel options were limited and costly, and everyone was searching for a better way to power machines. Rudolf Diesel, the inventor of the diesel engine, had a bold idea. He wanted his engine to run on coal dust. Why? Because during his era, coal was everywhere. It was cheap, plentiful, and a major energy source for industry and homes. Diesel thought that if his engine could burn coal dust, it could revolutionize transportation and industry by making power more affordable. From a thermodynamics point of view, Diesel was focused on making engines as efficient as possible. He studied the Carnot cycle, which shows the maximum efficiency any heat engine can reach. His goal was to design an engine that could get close to this ideal. Coal dust, being a solid fuel with high energy content, seemed perfect. It could potentially produce a lot of heat when burned, which is essential for converting heat into mechanical work. In his experiments around 1896, Diesel tried injecting finely ground coal particles into the combustion chamber. The air inside was highly compressed and heated, causing the coal dust to ignite spontaneously. This process matched the diesel cycle principle, where fuel is injected into hot, compressed air, leading to combustion without the need for a spark. It was an innovative idea that aimed to maximize efficiency and reduce fuel costs. However, using coal dust as fuel was not without problems. The coal particles caused buildup of ash and sludge inside the engine, leading to high wear and tear. The impurities in coal made feeding the fuel reliably very difficult. Coal dust mixed with air could also be explosive and hard to control, creating safety risks. These technical challenges made it hard to use coal dust practically in engines. Over time, these issues led to a shift. Liquid fuels like petroleum-based diesel became easier to handle, cleaner, and more reliable. Still, diesel's initial idea to use coal dust was driven by the desire to create a highly efficient, economical engine that could run on abundant fuels. His focus was on maximizing thermal efficiency, and coal dust seemed like a promising fuel source before practical limitations made liquid fuels the better choice. So, Rudolf Diesel wanted his engine to use coal dust because it was cheap, abundant, and aligned with his goal of making a highly efficient engine. His work was rooted in the principles of thermodynamics, aiming to convert as much heat as possible into useful work. Although coal dust did not become the standard fuel, his ideas pushed the development of diesel engines and the understanding of thermodynamic cycles.